Today, let's learn the names of some everyday tools you might find in a toolbox. First up, the hammer, used for pounding nails into wood or pulling them out. Next, the screwdriver. There are two main types, flathead and Phillips. This is a wrench, also known as a spanner in some places. It's used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Now meet the pliers, great for gripping, bending, or cutting wires. Here's a tape measure. It helps you measure length and distance accurately. This is a saw, perfect for cutting wood or other materials. A drill used for making holes in walls, wood, or metal. Some are manual, but most are electric. This is a utility knife, also called a box cutter, handy for cutting cardboard or opening packages. And finally, the toolbox itself keeps all your tools organized and easy to carry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Hatch curiosity, grow knowledge, and keep watching, learning with me.